Hey everyone, my name is Theo. I'm running the ZF Aftermarket Asia Pacific region. This is the first time for ZF Aftermarket to participate in this Automechanika Ho Chi Minh. That shows our commitment to invest into this event, and the reason behind is pretty clear. We see a lot of potential and the energy in this market. First of all, if you look at the vehicle park for passenger car, today is around about 2.5 million units, and we see the CAGR growth will be around about 10% in coming years. And secondly, if we look at the vehicle age, it is actually at the sweet spots of the aftermarket, which is around about 6 years. So with this, we are pretty committed to this Vietnam aftermarket. Yeah, today we actually bring with us 5 premium brands. First of all, with ZF. ZF is specialized in transmission and axle. So we have our ZF Lifeguard, E-Fleets and transmission fleet with us. Secondly, we have the SAX brand. SAX is specialized in damping system. So we bring together with us the clutch and also the absorber solution. Third, with Lamfolder. Lamfolder is mainly in the chassis technology, where we have the control arm, the stabilizer link and tie ropes. And number 4, with the TRW brand, which is specialized in the braking. So we bring with us the corner module as long as the brake pads. And last but not least is about WAPCO. WAPCO is the specialized system into a commercial vehicle that offer braking, ADAS, air management and many others. Yeah.